I can confidently say that this is in fact the first time I ever fished with there still being a little bit of snow on the ground. We got a pretty good amount not too long ago, so we're gonna get out here in the old Tanner and we're gonna go catch some with some snow on the ground. It rained or snowed about 3 days ago, and this is what's left. Is this? We had 5-6 inches, so we got left. A little chilly. There might actually be some parts of this place that are frozen over in the shade, but that's what we got. So we're gonna go catch them. All right, we're going. We're fishing for the first time in like 2 weeks. Feels good. Feels good to be back out. Catch some on a trap today. That's the hope. Unfortunately, I only have one trap. We're throwing it on braid. I'm just kind of messing around with line setups and what? Oh gosh, that's a good one. Good way to start the day. Messing with line setups for Lake Seminole. We got Lake Seminole in March. Come on, pick up a shatter wrap here. Yeah, I just can't stay out of the grass. And unfortunately, a lot of this stuff's so slimy, it's just really hard to snap, you know, lipless. It's not like that clean hydrilla that you've got in Seminole a lot of the times. There's one already. It's a good one too. For this place. Oh, barely hooked. I think I was able to, when I crossed him over there, I think I was able to get another hook here. Oh no, come here. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one for this place. There's not many fish over about 12 to 13 inches in this place, which that's probably about a 13 incher. So that's a pretty good one. Oh. We're gonna go 12-inch size limit today. Now we're gonna see what our best 5 were. Let's see how this little guy goes. Would you chill? 13 and a half. With pinching him, he's almost 14. Oh, there we go. I finally got him to flare down. Open tail, which is like tournament regulations, 13 and a half. See what the little sucker weighs. Man, they chew a shatter wrap in this place. I don't know what to say. You know, like I want to throw a lipless, but £1 pound, 2 ounces. This little number 5 shatter wrap's just been a warrior for me this winter. I can't even count how many fish I've caught on it. That's probably a good one, I think. That area's just got my boat up pretty good. Oh, that's another good one. Oh gosh, oh, that's a really good one. Oh my goodness. Come here, baby. Oh, don't do that. Oh my god. That might be the biggest fish I've ever caught on spinning gear. One of. Oh my goodness, dude. Nah, she's not as big as she looked down there. Freaking meaty one, dude. She looked really big down there. She got a big frame. She's just, you know, skinny. And that's probably a 2.5, 3 pound frame. Two, 1. Need 5 of those. There's just not a lot of over 2 pounders in this place, and that 2 pounder is one of the first that I've caught about that size in quite a while. So some of that's the fact that it's winter, it's cold, it sucks, A lot of the times. Gosh, dude. It's gonna be one of those days. Until I get hooked by this guy. I'm not even gonna weigh him. I think he'd keep, but dang, he got it through the snout. I will. I hate doing that, and I don't do that in tournaments where you slow back the lever. Do that. Bad luck, boys. I'm 12.5. I'm finna just set the scale right here by my foot. I'm using it more than I am my dang rod at this point. $13 ounces. Get rid of him here, hopefully. The only thing I'm concerned about is maybe they're doing what they were last time, which is you're going to find a group of them, you're going to catch them every cast just about, and then it just completely shuts off because there's no more fish there that want to eat. So I'm hoping that they're just kind of a little bit bitey because it's finally warming up again. That's kind of the hope here, and that they just want to get up and feed. Because it's been miserably cold the last couple days for this place. Yes. Probably have, I think, 30 minutes, probably 25 to 30 minutes left to fish in the day. And we have 3 fish in the live well for, you know, oh, that was a fish, for about 5 and change. Oh, did you guys see that? Oh my gosh, he might do it. Did you guys see that? Dude, that was like a 2-pounder. That was awesome. Bitty. He will not keep. Of course you get it pretty good. Bitty bitty. Little bitty one. Head shaking. I saw him come up. It's better than the last one, that's for sure. No doubt on that. Definitely a keeper. Yeah. Long drawn out one. I found a group though. Oh gosh. Another 1-1-ish. I think I have 3 1-1s and a 13 ouncer, dude. Crazy. Or like 2 1-2s and 2 1-2s and a 1-1. Then a 2-1. I mean, they're just cookie cutters in this place. Potato chip around on a spinning setup. Little tater chip. Baby. I mean, it literally, throwing the Shadow Wrap around feels like you're throwing a potato chip, so. Sir, you will not help. You're quite small. I'm not sure if you're aware of that, but red lips, lipstick. Got the lipstick going on. Yep. Oh, that might be a good one. No, I think he's on a stick. I think it's probably a cold though. Only has to be a pound to do that. Yeah, he's gonna help a little bit. No. Nope, never mind. Probably not. Oh my gosh, chill out. He's chunkier than that little one that I caught though, so if he'll keep, he might help a little bit. Nope,